Alright, so I'm going to show you all my full exhaust setup. It's Corson Extremes with JBA long tube headers, some catless, obviously, with the long tube headers. Yeah, let's get a cold start. Alright, we'll let her warm up and I'll give off some revs. Also, look how cool this shit looks. And I have a sport mode on an RT. Worth it. Also, if you don't have one, I definitely suggest getting a radar detector. Look at all the smoke coming out. I trust you. It's not oil or anything, it's just cold as fuck. Alright, it's been a couple minutes, let's give her some revs. Also, if you ask me, video does not do it justice for how it sounds in person. I know a lot of people say that. It sounds a whole lot fucking louder and a bit more raspier, but I could always make it louder. I could always just take off the resonators that came with the exhaust kit. I've thought about that. I'm not too sure if I am though.